Hi guys, good evening. So in today's video, we'll be talking about the wire and cable company. Okay, so we've already done the wire and cable ka video where we spoke about all the players that were involved, the 6 players, the listed players. So it's not about in the traditional sense. Now today, I think we heard a news yesterday, right? Ki like the Aditya Birla Group that is there, from with their Ultratech cement cement plants that is there, they are planning to enter the wire and cable ka segment, and they are planning to do an investment of what, like around 1800 crore. And within a span of 2 years or something, they should be able to, they will be entering the market and so forth. Okay. And I believe the entire Aditya Birla Group has attacked all the industries, because it first started with, unka entering into the paints industry, right? Like they started entering with their Birla Opus, with that brand, they entered and they disrupted the paint industry. And we are seeing the impact of it on the organized players. Then I believe the second was with their brand Indriya in the jewelry segment. Although they're planning to launch it, and I believe in the span of next 2 years, they're planning not 2 years. I believe in the span of 18 months, they are planning to open 100 stores. So that is, they're planning to attack the organized space in the jewelry segment. And right now, the latest development by the Aditya Birla Group is they are going to enter into the wire and cable segment. And obviously now, if you look at this, right, the market has has reacted, and you would see, right, the entire, if you look at the top stocks, whether it is Polycab, RR Cable, KEI, Havells, everything, I think for a point it was down by like 15 to 20% also today in one of the trading sessions today. It was down at one point, right? So usually I get a lot of queries during this time, what do we do? How do we look at this perspective? How do you look at this situation, or what is your perspective over here? Okay. So first of all, it's very important to understand that whenever you see a growth in an industry, whenever you see that, that the industry is growing and there is a lot of demand, there is a lot of tailwind over here, it is obvious that the competition that will be there, it will rise. Okay. And if you have a big player, see, and the entire industry can be divided into two, right? Organized and unorganized. Obviously, organized will have a hedge over here because they've got a better brand, they have that economies of scale and everything, and as long as they're able to have a decent margin, they are able to, there is no pricing pressure over here, it shouldn't be a problem. Okay. Now the problem happens over here when another organized player tries to enter. Like when you talk about Aditya Birla Group, irrespective of the kind of segment that they are entering, whether it is a paints category, whether it is a jewelry category, whether it's a wire and cable category, they're coming here as an organized player. So obviously they will be eating the market share from two things, right? They will be eating the market share from the unorganized player as well as organized player over here. I think we saw that trend happen in paint industries, right? In paint industries earlier, we saw in the organized part, we had Asian Paints, Kansai, Berger, Indigo Paints, all of these kind of companies we had. And as Aditya Birla, like earlier, if you look at it, when the paints ka, con calls were there, they used to always tell ki, the paint ka market is so big ultimately that, everybody can enjoy their fair share. But we've also seen that in terms of number, that has not been the case, especially Indigo Paints, which used to grow at 18 to 20%, is growing at 6% right now, right? We've seen that they are facing that brunt, because whenever a new player enters, they give you heavy discounting and everything. You can tell me that, that the discounting will not last. How long can a person give discount? But it does affect momentarily, right? That we've seen how that disruption has happened in the paint industry. Now, will it happen similarly in the jewelry industry? Will it happen similarly in the in the wire and cable industry? It is something that we will have to wait and watch, first of all, right? It can happen like what happened with the paints industry, or it can be completely opposite, where like all the management tells, like the KEI management told, I think they had an interview today and they were like, we are confident about growing 20%. And even if, let's say, Aditya Birla comes with this wire and cable ka segment, it would take them 2 years, because they have to set up a plant and all. It is going to take them 2 years, and it will take them another 3 years to brand build. Now, see, it can happen both ways, right? Like they can disrupt like what they've done in the paint industries, or it can be in the favor like what this KEI management is telling, where they're telling like, yes, we will grow, and everybody can have their fair share. It can happen that way. That is something you do not know. That is something that nobody can put a finger and tell. You'll have to wait and watch, right? But over here, see, whoever comes here into the play, right? Agar koi Aditya Birla hai, koi dusra hai, it doesn't matter ultimately. What you will have to look is at your company's performance. Aage jaake, think about it. Let's say Polycab ki whoever it is, right? Let's say now these people are growing at what, like already Polycab ne bola ki like we will grow at 1.5x the industry rate, right? Pehle to, which means what, the industry is growing at 13%. I think they will be growing at 18 to 20%. Polycab ka already pace of growth kam ho gaya. KEI is always growing at 20%. आगे जाके how do you know if it is really affecting them? Already it is growing at 20%. अगर वो 20% से उससे कम होता है, उसका pace of growth कम होता है, if the गाड़ी that is growing at 20 km/h is coming at 15 km/h, you know that the problem has come over here. Now at that time, when the pace of growth is coming down for that business, irrespective of what is happening, that business automatically becomes a not so lucrative option for you. Now forget about Aditya Birla entering, forget about XYZ entering, ठीक है, कोई enter करने दो, that is not a problem. But the fact is, once the pace of growth comes down for whatever the reason it is, उसका ये go down में आग लग गया, वो हो गया competition, that opportunity becomes uninteresting for you in the first place, right? Irrespective of what happens. So this is the thing, you know, that's what I'm trying to convey, that XYZ situation can always happen for you, right? Or can always happen to the company that you're investing in. But ultimately, it comes down to one thing: pace of growth बढ़ रहा है या कम हो रहा है, right? Whatever the reason happens, once the pace of growth is coming down, it's, I mean, it is no longer lucrative. So there is no point in talking about, you know, कि like, you know, Ultratech Cement आ रहा है, इसका ये capacity बढ़ रहा है, ये 3 साल में ये करेगा, 2 साल में ये करेगा, and all of it. I believe the same kind of talk is also happening with the AC companies, right? Because in AC companies we are seeing PGL, EPAC, Amber and all, they're all posing, you know, with great set of numbers. And I believe the recent news is, I believe somebody, I do not know, I read it somewhere on Twitter that I think it's a Tata Group, yes, I do not know who it is, but some big group, you know, some organized sector is over here is planning to enter into this AC car manufacturing space, right? And a similar question was asked, कि like, you know, if they are entering, won't PGL का, you know, market share will come down, won't EPAC का market share will come down, उसको competition आएगा, as a result यहाँ पे, you know, इनका problem आएगा. अरे भाई उसको enter होने दो पहले, forget it, वो enter करेगा या नहीं. First of all, obviously it takes long time, right? इनका भी, like, let's say for Ultratech Cement, it is going to 2 years, it's going to take 2 years for you to even enter the market in the first place, right? That is one thing, like, you know, go and start selling your products. अगर वो enter करता है, let's say even this, whoever this X company, I don't remember the name, like I told you, is entering this entire AC का space or whatsoever, let them first enter. उसके बाद अगर वो actually affect करता है नहीं, फिर देखो. Now let's say over here if they enter and उसके वजह से कुछ होता है, automatically when PGL का pace of growth कम हो गया. First of all, when PGL का pace of growth कम हो जाएगा यहाँ पे, let's say now he's doing like what 60-80% कर रहा है, ठीक है. उसके बाद if they are coming and they are doing less, that irrespective of that company has entered or not, let's say if the Tex company has not even entered into the market, let's say for example right now, you know, with this Ultratech Cement का, you know, that they are entering, forget about Ultratech Cement entering, उसके पहले if Polycab का pace of growth comes down, it automatically becomes a not so lucrative option for you. Similarly with PGL, EPAC and Amber, right now they're great companies, but going forward, let's say before this new kind of company, this new Tata or whatever, before they come and they start manufacturing their own ACs, right? Before that happens, इसका ही pace of growth घट गया तो will it become a good opportunity for you? No, right? Let's say वो आ गया, उसके बाद भी pace of growth घट गया, let's say whatever the reason is, pace of growth तो घटा ना बाबा उसका, तो उसके बाद how is it lucrative for you, right? So that is the most important thing over here. That is why I keep telling you, like, pace of growth देखो, look at who's winning the race, right? Everything is connected to, bottom line one thing, everything is connected to sales growth, right? Ultimately अगर तुम्हारा margins में भी problem आते हैं, ultimately it is also reflected in your sales growth. Receivables में भी problem आते हैं, it will be reflected in your sales growth. Payables में problem आते हैं, it will be reflected in your sales growth. Each and every parameter is reflected to your sales growth, right? And you will have to not just look at the absolute sales number, you will have to look at the pace of growth, you will have to see who's winning the race, right? So this is what I'm trying to convey. Whatever happens, ultimately, it will first be reflected in the sales number and you've got your Q over there. जो 20% का growth engine वो 20 से कुछ भी 19-20 में कम करता है ना, you've got your problem. Already Polycab में problem तो आ चुका है बाबा, वो 40% से grow कर रहा था, अभी बोल रहे 18 से 20% में grow कर रहे हैं. And now people are blaming valuation for it. Like how can you blame valuation for something when already the pace of growth has come down, right? Pace of growth already कम हो चुका है यहाँ पे, and on top of that now problems are coming. Now you can't blame valuation for everything. It's like, you know, you do everything right, you know, you go to, I'll give you this is like my mom's mentality, ठीक है, like सब कुछ ठीक करो, आप जिम जाओ, ठीक है, and you are doing really well in life, and probably today you're walking and you're, you know, that little toe that is there, it hits your door and your mom will be like, oh तुम जिम जाती हो इसलिए ये हुआ. That is the argument that people give with respect to valuation. Little bit 19-20 होता है, they don't see what is the problem and then they be like, oh valuation expensive था इसलिए ये stock 10% आज गिर के बैठा है. It makes absolutely no sense. Look at the pace of growth in terms of sale and then get your valuations connected, right? You can't look with investing, I'll tell you, you can't look at one parameter in an isolated point of view. You have to look at all of it together. Like even when I talk about sales growth over here, you can't, like when I tell pace of sales growth, there is an aspect of seasonality also that is involved. So you can't look at like, you know, one, like you will have to understand sales growth along with seasonality and also see, right? So that is what I'm telling. Everything happens in a conjunction. Everything happens together. You can't look at one single parameter and be like, "Arey, ye galat hua, ye hua." So, and especially with respect to valuation is nothing but an outcome of sales growth. That is it. आप जितना अच्छा sales growth करोगे उतना आपका बड़ा valuation, the market will keep rewarding you. Similarly, the minute you start underperforming, the minute your pace of growth comes down, the same valuation becomes your enemy over here, right? So that is the thing. When you understand this, it becomes easier. When you don't understand this, you will आप अपना हाथ और पैर मारने लगोगे, you know, and it will be like, you know, you're trying to swim, you know, towards a wave instead of against the wave in the sea, in an ocean. So that's the problem over here. Okay, so I hope this entire thing makes sense, right? And I hope you can understand first of all what is happening with the wire and cable industry before jumping into the valuation gun, before jumping into, you know, like, you know, into this panic mode and telling कि like ये enter हो रहा है, ये होगा, वो होगा, and all of it. पहले जो कोई भी एंटर हो गया है वो उसको छोड़ा, अपना खुद का धंधा देखो वहां पे क्या हो रहा है, उसके बाद देखो ना अगर कोई एंटर हो रहा है उसके वजह से इम्पैक्ट हो रहा है. दिस इज लाइक टेलिंग अपने घर में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, सी अल्टीमेटली यू विल हैव टू सी इफ यू आर इन हाउस इफ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम. इफ तुम्हारे घर में प्रॉब्लम है देन ओनली इट मेक सेंस टू लीव योर हाउस. इफ उसके घर में, पड़ोसी के घर में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है तो कि लाइक अगर वो आके कुछ कर रहे हैं, सो दैट इज नन ऑफ योर कंसर्न, राइट? ओनली इट अफेक्ट्स, तुम्हारे घर का प्रॉब्लम होगा कब? व्हेन समथिंग इज हैपनिंग डीपली रॉन्ग इन योर हाउस, राइट? नॉट इन योर पड़ोसी का हाउस. पड़ोसी क्या करे उसका प्रॉब्लम है, आप क्या कर रहे हो घर में वो आपका अपना प्रॉब्लम है, राइट? सो दैट इज व्हाट इट इज. सो pace of growth coming down is a big deal over here, and that you will get to know, right? Already for many companies over here, whether it is Havells, whether it is Polycab, whether it is RR Cable, all of them हर किसी का तो pace of growth कम आ ही गया है, right? Like it has reduced. उसके बाद अगर ये आ रहा है ना आ रहा है तो ultimately it makes no sense at all. So that is the thing.